What is this, oil jigs?
Jig super trick.
It'll do the trick.
Yeah.
Trick. Ruby red.
Some of that
Pretty
stuff.
sure I greased the seal here, so.
Some of that stuff was kind of bluish or purple or something green or some color. Yeah, it's B&M stuff.
Sideways or something.
Quick shift. What was that stall supposed to be anyway?
35, 38.
Yeah.
$60431.
Jegs, wasn't it?
Yep.
XHD. Just a TSI converter or whatever.
Got to be better than that TCI one I had.
Guess we'll find out. Nice to have a whole arrangement of those jegs, and then you just swap out whatever one you think works the best.
Yep. Download that Taco John's app. It gives you all like free food all the time. I got a free combo meal, and then they give me $3 off the combo. Just to let you know.
I gotta have secure Wi-Fi or I can't do it.
To download the app. Well, it's worth it because I got a free combo. Okay. They sent me.
I got one through Jimmy John's. About every third sandwich they give you a free one. Every fourth one, I think.
If you just for signing up for the app, they give you a free combo.
Damn.
So I tried to do something that said, because I tried to steal Wi-Fi. I kept Taco John's or Taco Bell. They won't. You can't download it because it's not secure.
Runs up to 30% cooler than standard grade can foods.
You get a rider here and it has some Wi-Fi.
Is that all you need to have Wi-Fi here?
I think so. Well, you just look on your phone and use our, like, download stuff on my phone. Because Todd had something on your phone, you can hit like record and it'll sit there and record. Which is pretty good, and I thought about doing it, but it wouldn't let me do it. Basically like you're at the junkyard and being stupid to you, hit record and you can just, your phone will record everything you're saying. Shove it in there, see if it fits. Yeah, it'd probably be a pain in the ass getting lined up.
There it went.
Still on one more. There we go. There we go. Now it's actually doing something. Don't turn the pump now. Turn it. Hold on. Let's do this. Pick up the mat. Slide it this way.
Okay.
More. Keep going. More. Don't make me hold this.
Alright, I gotta take off through this. The ice cream in the refrigerator.
See you later.
See you later.
Don't break that car, hopefully.
Grunting time.
My back just went out. I was thinking about it.
I've been aching all day.
I need a jack to get it up on the jack. Should we put the dipstick tube in, or
Probably should.
you know, hold it?
Yep.
Don't let it fall off. Right there. Now, as long as we can guide
Move
it
that
up
chain
in there.
out of the way, over towards the header.
Might have to take it off. Don't need to be on there, so I'll take it off.
Yep.
Of course, this thing is tight when we put it in there. Now I gotta use a wrench on it. It's up in there, you can't get to it. That's normal.
get up too high. That's a lot closer.
Yep, fucking line there.
I'm worried about the dipstick tube or angling back too much. How do we get this thing? Do I tilt it forward this way?
Fairly close.
Are you on? What'd you do with all the bolts?
Can't see a fucking thing, Dave.
Neither can I. I see a bright light.
Angle down a little bit.
I can see the dowel pin and the dowel pin hole. I think I went on. We're still turned, so we're good. Get yours in a ways.
Yep.
I can get my flashlight. There's a hardware clamp there.
Yeah, I hear hell on this one.
What he did. It's dried up at least.
I think we need to find one more bolt like that.
Should have one. What happened to it? Get mixed in with something else?
Tossing him up.
A little higher. Right there, let's stop just about.
That's about as high as it's gonna go.
Did you have the nuts up or the nuts down?
I can't remember. Which way are you gonna do it?
I guess this side I can drop it down. Maybe. Make them the same so they match. That falls off, at least the bolt's gonna be there.
Yep. You putting pressure down on it.
Okay, the washer fell off in the meantime.
Yours in already?
Mm-hmm.
Both?
Mm-hmm. Very tighten them up if you get yours two sitting in there.
Got the two in the middle.
No, they're still over on the floor. Wasn't smart enough to grab them while I was over there.
Bolt's good rolling. See one.
Lined up.
No, it needs to go this way, just to it's almost lighting up. Did you drop it?
I fucking noticed you put your big washer on top.
I don't know which way it goes. Here's the big washer hold the cross mirror. There's big slots in there. As long as you got your bolts through. I'm gonna let this down. We got 2 of them poking through the hole. Let me guess. You didn't get it in there.
I'll have to use a wrench on that.
Make this look hard.
Get it out?
Oh, you're taking it out?
Yeah.
I was putting it in. I'm trying to put it in.
Get it out because you put your big washers on top and I want it all matched.
You know what? We gotta lift it up in there too. Too pokey. At least it's all sitting in there.
Yeah. Hell, a good start now. It's just a jigsaw puzzle. Put everything back together.
We gotta start filing shit again. It takes forever.
Hey, we don't have to do that this time, except for maybe that header if Dave wants to fuck with it.
Should move your 1 and 2 back. Get some of the heat away from the spark plug.
Yep.
Looks like it lines up. So.
You guys must have had something too heavy on there at one time.
Yeah, that,
Kind of bent.
got it.
Well, it was when we got it.
Oh.
Looks like pretty much topped out.
The other lift in there, you about got let down 1 notch so it goes up high enough.
Get it?
Oh.
Loose.
And they're solid as a motherfucker.
Couldn't be that solid.
Oh.
Well, I can't see nothing on this side.
All that just put
All
a
that
damn
works just for
washer on.
washer.
You gotta be the same. Oh, shit.
Now what?
Ain't gonna work.
Just make a quick touch cross member.
Yeah.
I let it down, but
I better get the bolts in first.
It's in.
Well, don't have to jack that back up again.
Shouldn't have to.
Tighten her down, be done.